Okay, example 2, or example 7. Find the equation of a circle whose graph passes the points 1, 1, negative 6, 6, and negative 2, 2. Hint, use the equation x squared plus y squared plus ax plus by plus c equals 0. Alright, basically this is how it works. This is the basic form. Don't write this on your paper, but I want to show you where this came from. And if you just believe that a circle is always that structure, you'll be in good shape. But if we imagine x minus h, the quantity squared, plus y minus k, the quantity squared, equals r squared. That's our basic structure for a circle, right? Back from the beginning of those, I think it was chapter 2, somewhere in there we did circles. All right, if I were to expand this out, x squared minus 2xh plus h squared plus y squared minus 2, oh, got the parentheses in the wrong spot.
You're just having great luck today.
It's just not working for me, is it? All right, y squared minus 2yk plus k squared equals r squared, right?
Yep.
So I move everything over to the left, I'm going to get x squared plus y squared, right? I get minus 2xh. Let's go with 2hx. Minus 2ky. And I get plus h squared plus k squared plus r squared equals 0. Oh, minus r squared. That's if I simplify everything, right?
Mm-hmm.
All right. What they did was, instead of getting all this big mess here, having 1, 2, 3 variables h, k, and r, and having to create this structure that looks like that just looks really intimidating, this is something times x, this is something times y, and this is plus something. Something x, something y, something. So they got the same structure, they just got a little simplified version of it. It's easier to deal with. Okay? We're not finding the structure looking like this, we're getting ourselves to the general form of the circle instead of the standard form of the circle. A little bit easier to deal with. Alright? So that's what they're doing here for this. And it's the same idea as the last problem. We have a structure that we want our equation to be in. The things we don't know are what a, b, and c are. X and y are the points, x and y, that they give us. So if I substitute everything in that I know, the point 1, 1 means x is 1, y is 1. So 1 squared is 1, plus 1 squared is 1, plus 1 times a is a, plus 1 times b is b, plus c is c, is equal to 0. Which transforms, of course, to a plus b plus c, a plus b plus c, is equal to negative 2. The second point, negative 6, negative 6. Negative 6 squared is positive 36. Negative 6 squared is positive 36. Minus 6a minus 6b plus c is equal to 0. That means that negative 6a minus 6b plus c is equal to negative 72. Third equation. X is negative 2, y is positive 2. Negative 2 squared is 4. Positive 2 squared is 4. Minus 2 times a is minus 2a. Positive 2 times b is positive 2b. Plus c is plus c equals 0. That's negative 2a plus 2b plus c is equal to negative 8. We get our system of 3 equations. Just like before, I need to get rid of a variable. Notice it's plus c, plus c, plus c. So if I just go ahead and change the signs, I'm going to take this red one and change the sign. So plus 6a, plus 6b, minus c, and plus 72. Group those, I'm going to make 2 simple equations with just a and b. 7a plus 7b equals 70. 4a plus 8b is equal to 64. Top equation divides by 7, that's a plus b is equal to 10. Bottom equation divides by 4, a plus 2b is equal to 16. I'm going to change the signs at the top. Minus a, minus b, minus 10. Minus a and plus a cancel. B, minus b and 2b make 1b. Negative 10 plus 16 is 6. Once I know b is 6, I know a plus b is equal to 10. So a plus 6 is equal to 10. So a must equal 4. Once I know both a and b, I can go back up here. I'm going to go right here. A, which is 4, plus b, which is 6, plus c, I don't know yet, is equal to negative 2, so C is equal to negative 12. And wants to know all three numbers A, B, and C. I want my answer to look like this, so I'm just going to replace A, B, and C with 4, 6, negative 12. X and Y stay X and Y. So x squared still x squared, plus y squared still plus y squared. Plus AX is going to be plus 4x. Plus BY is going to be plus 6y. And plus C is going to be minus 12. Equals 0 still equals 0, and just like that, there's my circle equation in general form. Use the ordered pairs to create the system of equations, solve the system of equations like normal, and then